So how are you, everybody? Callista is asking. Guys, your chat moderator wants to know. Chat moderator is sitting in front of the big keyboard, a triple keyboard. So how are you now, guys? Crazy Time 5X. Like this. How are you feeling now? Well, Callista, we're waiting for the bonuses. Simple as that. But for now, we're seeing some number. There it is. There it is. 5X Crazy Time. There it is, guys. Just like that. All these spins. 5X Crazy Time. Ah! 5X Crazy Time. Ah! All right. All right. In the last 5 minutes, a 5X top slot for Crazy Time. Ah! 3 flappers, guys. 3 flappers. Green, blue, yellow. Green, blue, yellow. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to pick scary business. Scary business. Maybe green? I'm going to go green. I'm going to go green. 500X max, though. 500X max. Woo. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, my. Yellow flapper. Yellow flapper. Yellow flapper.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.